In this video, I'll show you how to create a TULLE material in 3ds Max. My name is Nikita. If you want more useful videos on the topic of architectural visualization, put a like and subscribe on this channel. Here I have the curtains with the usual default Corona physical MTL applied to them. First, let's look at the TULLE material reference. Here you can see that the tool has a slight transparency. The front surface of the tool is more transparent than the tangent surface. Let's look at this from a slightly different angle. This is a view of the top of the tool. The front surface, to our view, is going to be more transparent than the tangent surface. Let's create that. So, in order to create an effect like this, I'm going to use the opacity slot. I'm going to apply a fall-off node here. Right-click, Maps, General, Fall-off. And I'm going to apply this node to the opacity slot. This node allows you to create the effect that I just described. I've moved the completed fall-off node here to show you what we need to do with it. The fall-off node has this graph that we can use to adjust the degree to which the color of the surface changes depending on the angle of view. Let me turn on the open preview window to show this more clearly. And first, let me apply the fall-off node to the base color slot so that you can better understand how this works. So, in the fall-off node, we have a black color and a white color. The left side of the graph is the center of our object. The right side of the graph is the edge of our object. If we move this point higher, the center part of the object will become lighter, and vice versa. We need to make the center part of the object slightly darker than the tangent. I'm going to move the left point up a little bit. Right-click on it and change the mode to Bezier corner and make this straight line a little bit more curved so that the dark light is concentrated only on the most convex areas. And now let's turn the fall-off node back on in the opacity slot, and I'll turn on the interactive render and see what's changed. And you can see that we've achieved the desired effect. The plane of the tool that's frontal to us, it has more opacity than the plane tangent to our view. In order to reduce this effect a little bit, I can select the material, go below, find our fall-off map in opacity, and change the degree of effect from 100 to a lower value. And now we are seeing barely visible transparency here. Okay, next I'm going to select the material, remove the material roughness, and then if you look at the reference again, you can see that tool often has a translucency effect. Let's reproduce that. I'll select the material, check the box here, and raise the translucency effect to about 0.25. And we have this nice illumination. You can change the color of this lighting. To make our curtains lighter, I'm going to change the color of the material to a lighter color. And our material is ready. We got a very nice result. If you want, you can add some bump. I have a bump map like this. I apply it to the bump slot. I will change the bump to the minimum. If you found this tutorial useful, put a like. You can download the scene from this video from the link in the description. See you in the next video.